Alright, so what's up guys? Moog is here and today we're diving into something that's been absolutely blowing up my feeds, and for good reason. AI is not just a buzzword anymore, it's a revolution. And in 2025 it's unlocking new income streams faster than ever. We're talking about tangible, real-world opportunities to make money, often with skills you might not even realize are super valuable in this new landscape. Forget the complex coding or the massive upfront investments. The game has seriously changed and it's more accessible than you think. I've been digging deep into this, looking at the tools, the platforms, and the actual results people are getting. It's pretty wild. We're seeing a shift where AI isn't just automating old jobs, it's creating entirely new categories of work, especially side hustles that can fit around your existing commitments. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 AI-powered side hustles that you can start with little or no money, right now. These are the ones I genuinely believe have the most potential for growth and profitability as we head further into 2025. So whether you're looking to supplement your income, explore a new passion, or even build a full-time gig from the ground up, this is the video for you. We're going to break down each hustle, look at the specific AI tools involved, and discuss how you can actually get started. No fluff, just actionable insights. So stick around, because the last one might just blow your mind. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about automated content creation. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. AI writing? Is it actually any good? And the answer, increasingly, is a resounding yes. We're not talking about clunky robotic text anymore. With tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, the landscape of content generation has fundamentally shifted. These platforms are using incredibly sophisticated language models to produce high-quality blog posts, engaging video scripts, persuasive ad copy, social media updates, and so much more, often in a matter of minutes, not hours. The real kicker here is the efficiency. Imagine needing to write a 1,500-word blog post. Traditionally, that's a significant time investment: research, outlining, drafting, editing. With these AI tools, you can generate a solid first draft, often with multiple variations, in a fraction of the time. This isn't about replacing human creativity entirely, it's about augmenting it. Think of it as having a super-powered writing assistant that can handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the strategy, the unique insights, and the final polish that makes the content truly shine. So how do you turn this into a side hustle? Well, the demand for quality content is absolutely insatiable. Businesses, big and small, need a constant stream of articles for their blogs, copy for their websites, and updates for their social channels. Freelancers who are leveraging these AI tools are already commanding impressive rates, often between $100 to $500 per project, depending on the scope and complexity, and that's just for individual pieces. Imagine the potential for retainers or ongoing content management. You can start by offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Create a portfolio showcasing what these AI tools, guided by your input, can produce. Another route is to directly approach small businesses in your niche. Many of them are struggling to keep up with content demands and would gladly pay for a reliable, efficient solution. The beauty of this is the low barrier to entry. Alright, moving on to our second AI-powered side hustle, and this one is for the visually inclined, or even those who they were AI-powered design services. For a long time, graphic design felt like this exclusive club. You needed expensive software, years of training, and a deep understanding of design principles. Well, AI is democratizing design in a pretty big way, and you don't need to be a seasoned graphic designer anymore to create some seriously impressive visuals. Tools like Canva have been leading this charge for a while, but now they're being supercharged with AI features. Then you have platforms like Looka, which specializes in AI-generated logos, or Designify, which can do incredible things with photo editing and background removal using AI. These tools are not just about templates. They're using AI to help you generate unique design elements, suggest layouts, and even create entire visual identities from scratch based on your input. Think about what businesses and individuals need: logos that pop, social media posts that grab attention, YouTube thumbnails that get clicks, presentations that look professional, and even simple marketing materials like flyers or business cards. The demand is constant. With AI design tools, you can now offer these services without spending years mastering Adobe Creative Suite. You can create a stunning logo in minutes with Looka, or a batch of eye-catching social media graphics with Canva's AI features. So, how do you monetize this? One popular route is listing your services on platforms like Etsy or Freelancer. You could offer custom logo design packages, social media graphic bundles, or YouTube thumbnail creation services. People are actively searching for these things, and if you can offer a quick turnaround and a good price point, thanks to AI efficiency, you're in a great position. Another avenue is selling digital downloads. Think pre-made social media templates, icon packs, or presentation themes that you've created with the help of AI. The key here is understanding your target audience and what they value. Small businesses, startups, content creators, they all need good design but might not have the budget for a high-end design agency. You can fill that gap. You're not just selling a design, you're selling speed, affordability, and a professional look that they might not be able to achieve on their own. And the AI tools handle a lot of the technical heavy lifting. This lowers the barrier to entry significantly. Next up, let's talk about something that's really hitting its stride. Using AI for voiceovers and audio production. For years, getting a professional-sounding voiceover meant hiring a voice actor, booking studio time, and dealing with potentially high costs and long turnaround times. But AI tools like ElevenLabs, Murf.ai, and Speechelo are completely changing that game. These platforms allow you to generate incredibly realistic human-sounding voiceovers with just a script. Seriously, the quality some of these can produce is mind-blowing. The technology has advanced so much that you can often choose from a vast library of voices, accents, and even emotional tones. Need a warm, authoritative voice for a corporate narration, a friendly, upbeat voice for an explainer video, or even a specific regional accent? AI can deliver that, often with just a few clicks. You just type in or paste your script, select your preferences, and the AI generates the audio file. It's incredibly powerful. So how do you turn this into a side hustle? One of the most straightforward ways is to offer AI voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses and content creators are always looking for voiceovers for their marketing videos, e-learning courses, podcast intros, YouTube content, and more. You can offer a fast, affordable alternative to traditional voice actors, especially for projects that don't require the nuances of a human performance, but still need to sound professional. Another fascinating application is building faceless YouTube channels or other automated content platforms. Think about channels that do listicles, explainers, or news summaries. You can use AI to generate the script, like we discussed in the first hustle, then use an AI voice tool to narrate it and combine it with stock footage or simple animations. This very video, for example, could potentially be made this way. This allows you to scale content production significantly without ever needing to show your face or even use your own voice. The efficiency and cost-effectiveness are major selling points. Alright, let's shift gears a bit for our fourth AI-powered side hustle, AI market research. This one might sound a little more corporate, but trust me, the opportunity here is huge, especially for freelancers and consultants. Businesses, from startups to large enterprises, are absolutely desperate for insights. They need to understand their customers, track their competitors, identify market trends, and make data-driven decisions. Traditionally, this has been a complex and time-consuming process. Enter AI. Tools like Monkeylearn, which excels at text analysis and sentiment analysis, Crayon, which focuses on competitive intelligence, and Crystal Knows, which uses AI to predict personality traits for better communication and sales, are revolutionizing how market research is done. These platforms can sift through vast amounts of data, social media conversations, customer reviews, news articles, competitor websites, and extract valuable, actionable insights much faster than any human could. Think about the kind of information you can uncover. What are customers really saying about a product? What are the emerging pain points in a specific industry? What new strategies are competitors launching? What are the key topics and sentiments trending around a particular brand? AI can help answer these questions by analyzing text, identifying patterns, and even predicting future trends with a surprising degree of accuracy. This is gold for businesses. So, how do you turn this into a side hustle? You can package these AI-driven insights into comprehensive reports or offer them as part of a consulting gig. For example, you could offer a social listening report where you use AI to analyze what people are saying about a client's brand or industry online. or a competitive landscape analysis that uses AI to track competitor activities and identify opportunities or threats. Businesses are willing to pay good money for this kind of intelligence. You can charge hundreds, even thousands per client, depending on the depth and scope of the research. The key is to not just present raw data, but to interpret it and provide actionable recommendations. The AI tools do the heavy lifting of data collection and initial analysis, but your human expertise comes in understanding the business context, drawing meaningful conclusions, and communicating those insights clearly. And finally, the one I hinted might blow your mind, side hustle number 5, automated video creation. Video is king when it comes to content, but traditional video production can be expensive, time-consuming, and require a whole set of specialized skills: shooting, editing, motion graphics, the works. Well, AI is stepping in to dramatically simplify and automate large parts of this process. This is a game changer, especially for creating certain types of video content at scale. Tools like Pictory.ai, Lumen 5, and Synthesia are at the forefront of this. Pictory and Lumen 5, for instance, can take a blog post or a script and automatically create a video from it, complete with stock footage, text overlays, and even AI-generated voiceovers. Synthesia takes it a step further by allowing you to create videos with AI avatars that speak your script. Yes, you heard that right. Digital presenters that look and sound remarkably human. This very video, well, maybe not this one, but it could be made using AI. And that's the point. Think about the possibilities. You can create engaging explainer videos for products or services, churn out informative YouTube content for a faceless channel, or produce professional-looking business promos and social media video ads, all without needing a camera, a studio, or complex editing software. The AI handles much of the heavy lifting, from sourcing visuals to syncing audio and animating text. It's like having an automated video production assistant. The monetization strategies here are diverse. You could offer AI video creation services to businesses that need quick, affordable video content for their marketing campaigns. Many small businesses, for example, know they should be doing more video but lack the resources. You can be their solution. You could also build and monetize your own YouTube channels, creating content on topics you're passionate about, entirely with AI tools, thus maintaining anonymity if you prefer. So, there you have it, 5 AI-powered side hustles that are genuinely changing the game in 2025. We've covered AI writing assistants, AI design tools, AI voice generation, AI market research, and even fully automated AI video creation. The common thread here, accessibility and opportunity. These side hustles are changing lives. You don't need a degree, a fancy studio, or a team. All you need is your laptop and the willingness to act. The tools are out there, many with free trials or affordable plans just waiting for you to explore them. The future of work is undeniably intertwined with artificial intelligence, but that doesn't have to be a scary thing. In fact, as we've seen, it's opening up incredible new avenues for income generation, creativity, and entrepreneurship. The barrier to entry for starting a profitable side business has never been lower thanks to these intelligent tools. It's about leveraging technology to work smarter, not just harder. The potential to build something meaningful, something profitable, is right at your fingertips. If you're serious about turning AI into income, if any of these ideas sparked something in you, then I encourage you to take that next step. Dive into one of these tools, start experimenting, and see what you can create. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let me know in the comments which of these side hustles you're most excited about, or if you're already using AI to make money. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.